this episode, I'm gonna make a roof rack. That'll do it for today. The weather, as you saw, has not really been on my side today, but I worked around it. One thing that I have thought about adjusting with this is putting actual feet on here to hold it up, because it is a little loosey-goosey. Other than that, I am perfectly satisfied with the design as it is now. My initial plan with it was just having a way to transport lovely Mrs. Manley and I, our bicycles, so we can go to better trails than what are around here where we live. And as you see, it looks pretty good. So I've got a plan with the quick release mount that's usually for truck bed. But other than that, it's pretty, it doesn't look too bad in terms of using a Harbor Freight $100 welder and just some mild steel, angle iron, square stock, flat stock. So I'm going to get in before the weather is on top of us once again. And if you like this video, leave a like if you learned something. Leave a comment below saying, Duke Manley, I learned something. And I will give that a thumbs up, maybe a heart if you're the first one. But don't forget to subscribe. I see that 99% of you are not subscribed. And yes, I'm looking at you right now. But without further ado, stay rusty.